Right, let's see what we can do with this lovely silver bowl, which I think my grandmother won when she was in Singapore. You see, it's quite grubby. Let's see what we can do to give it a clean. Going to be using this silver polishing foam. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. Here's the stuff. And what the first thing you need to do is take out the little sponge. I've pre-damped this already, but make sure it is moist. Then put some of the stuff on it. It's actually got a reasonable amount on it. Not caked, but something like that. Then let's try on the inside first, okay? So you can see, scale the dirt and you can see some writing in there. Let's see what it does. See the dirt coming off already. Just quite ingrained in those pieces there where they've put the writing on, engraving. Anyway, there we go. What a difference that makes, eh? Beautiful. So look at the outside. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to have a little bit of a sort of tarnish to make the dragon stand out, but we'll see, shall we? I'd imagine it's been years since this has been cleaned. Maybe never been cleaned, I don't know. Wow, the camera's picking it up, but that's grubby. That's shiny as. Wow, what a job. There's a sponge off it. So let's put a bit more on. Put more back on. The sponge is still damp. It might not be showing on the camera so well, but my goodness me, I can't tell you how unbelievably shiny this is coming up. Just unreal. It's a different thing. And I thought it might be designed that way to give a sort of a highlight light effect around the engravings. But I don't think that was the intended purposes. I think it is just full of a lot of dirt. You can see it all on my hand as well. Years and years. I think this is, they probably won this back in about, I would think, 1950-ish at a guess. So here we go, SOG, outer shoal race, first position. Looks like Hirondell. But so I know my grandmother was a particularly good sailor, my grandfather as well, but I do think this is for her, not him. But I know he's had a few trophies as well. So just have a look there. Looks like there's a, don't know if it's damage. We'll see. So yeah, there we go. See how we do. The next steps is to give it a good wash, get rid of all that, and go from there. I'll show you in a minute. Well, here we are. After the big clean's been washed with some nice soapy warm water. It's still a bit actually getting condensation from my fingers touching it, but wow, what a difference. Look, you can see the reflection of me in it now. Before, you would not have seen that at all. That's unbelievable. It's completely different. So I've got a few different items like this, which I've inherited, and they all need desperate cleaning. So I'll probably do a few more if people like seeing how things turn out. Yeah, interesting. Please give us a like or comment if you're interested, and I'll see about doing some more. But this video was not sponsored, but I gotta say, good product. Thanks so much for watching, guys.